In this video, we're building a modern and functional stopwatch using only HTML, CSS, and JS. You'll see how to start, stop, and reset the timer, all with smooth transitions and clean UI design. It's a great project to understand time calculations, event handling, and updating elements dynamically in JS. A stopwatch may seem like a simple tool, but behind it lies a perfect combination of precision, logic, and user experience. In this project, we're creating a fully functional stopwatch using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No libraries, no frameworks, just clean code and a bit of creativity. At its core, the stopwatch works by using JavaScript's built-in time functions. Every time you press start, the script records the exact time down to the millisecond. Then, with a repeating interval, it calculates how much time has passed since that moment and dynamically updates the numbers on screen. The display shows minutes, seconds, and hundredths of a second, giving the illusion of a live digital timer. But it's all just math running in the background, continuously updating the DOM to reflect real time. The stop button simply pauses the update interval, allowing you to freeze the time whenever you need to. And the reset button clears everything, setting the stopwatch back to zero, ready for the next test or challenge. From a design perspective, we've kept things clean, centered, and modern. The rounded buttons, soft shadows, and subtle animations give it that polished, app-like feel. The color contrast makes it easy to read at a glance, even on mobile screens. You can use a stopwatch like this in countless situations. It's great for workout tracking, productivity sessions, coding challenges, or even simple classroom exercises where timing matters. Beyond its practical use, this project is an amazing learning experience. It teaches you about time manipulation in JavaScript, DOM updates, event listeners, and the importance of writing clear and efficient code. You'll also gain a deeper understanding of how front-end logic connects with visual design, something every developer needs to master. Once you get comfortable with this version, you can take it further. Add lap tracking, store results locally, or even create a countdown timer mode. The possibilities are endless once you understand the core logic. So even though it might look like a small project, the stopwatch represents something bigger. A perfect blend of logic, design, and interactivity that captures the essence of web development itself. Simple, elegant, and built with just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, there's more on the way.